How to buy the best countertop dishwasher at Amazon. Amazon search. Do a search within Amazon.com under Appliances for bestseller countertop dishwashers. Check if the product is ranked bestseller. Your search result will include many similar products. See which product is ranked as a bestseller. Choose the bestseller by clicking on the product's image or text below it. Check for the customer reviews. On top of the item page, check the number of customer reviews. Click on it to take you to the review section on the page. This is important because these are customers who bought the item. Their reviews could be negative or positive depending on how they see it. This will give you insight into the product before you Customer Questions and Answers section. In this section on the item page, you will be able to see how interactive the product maker is with their customers. The quick response from the maker will encourage the customer when there is a damage, malfunctioning or ignorance of how to use it even when the product manual is provided. All you need do is to click on the Customer Questions and Answers highlighted text on top of the page to take you to that section. Compare to similar items. You have the opportunity to compare this item to similar items in terms of quality, color, seller, customer rating, price, shipping, etc. See example on the image below. View similar items. My recommendations. I recommend the SPT Counter-top Dishwasher after my careful review, but you have your choice to make. To buy, click the Amazon.com order button below. Order now.